So I wanted to give a quick update on the Amazon special oil catch can on my 2020 Nissan Frontier with the 3.8 direct injection V6. It's been about 2,000 miles since I put it in. The good thing about this universal catch can, it has this dipstick, which a lot of cans don't. I've been checking it every once in a while, but after about 2,000 miles, dipstick still totally dry. It has not reached the point where the dipstick is showing anything. So let's check. Let's unscrew the tank and let's see what's in there. Again, this is after about 2,000 miles. Looks like we've got about a thin layer in there. Again, after about 2,000 miles. That's not bad. That's not bad at all. But so it is catching, but only time will tell if there's any kind of measurable benefit to this. I guess it is better to catch it in here than it is to gum up the valves. But we will see.